there everyone, how are you all doing? I'm Leon and welcome to another video. I produce content every day focused around video production, making money online, tutorials and business. So if those are your interests, then be sure to subscribe with notifications turned on. So today I'm going to be showing you how to add drop shadow to an image in Premiere Pro. So without any further hesitation, let's begin. Alright everybody, so Premiere Pro has been loaded up and as you can see this is what we're going to be using. So it's just a photo of the previous, well it's a thumbnail from the previous video, and what you want to do now is come over to the effects tab, search up perspective, or no, not perspective, drop shadow rather. Actually what we need to do first is decrease the size of that image. So just yeah, that'll do. Come over to the effects tab, drag drop shadow onto the layer, and obviously nothing is shown up because we haven't adjusted anything. So as you can see, you can adjust the opacity. And it's sort of showing, but just wait for it. There we are, slowly showing up. But yeah, so essentially, just adjust that. You can adjust the distance as well, so that looks cool as well. Direction. You can add the shadow only as well, which I don't know why the hell you'd want to do that. But yeah, that's essentially how you do it. If this video is of value to you, then be sure to subscribe with notifications on for more content. Give the video a thumbs up and share it to help it rank in search results and help the channel grow. And leave your questions or feedback down below, or leave me a message at leonofficial_17. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Take care everybody.